In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make discounts on Fresha. Creating discounts on Fresha can greatly enhance your business's ability to attract new customers and reward loyal ones, stimulating increased bookings and overall satisfaction. Let's dive into the process of creating enticing discounts using the Fresha platform. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Fresha website designed specifically for businesses. You can easily find this by typing in your browser https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This particular section of Fresha is tailored to meet all the needs a business might have, making your experience smoother and more productive. Once you've arrived at the site, your next step is to log in. If you're not already logged into Fresha, simply click on the Login button. There you'll see an option specifically for business owners and managers. Select For Business, which is your gateway into the administrative and marketing side of your Fresha profile. Now for a more streamlined access, select Sign In using Google. This allows you to use your Google account for an easier and faster sign-in process. Simply choose your Google account from the list provided. This step assumes you have already linked your Google account to Fresha, a process that makes repeated logins convenient and quick. Once signed in, head over to the marketing section of your Fresha account. This is where you can really start to use Fresha's powerful tools to your advantage. The marketing section is specifically designed to help you create, manage, and track promotional activities. Inside the marketing section, look for the Deals option, a crucial feature for setting up discounts. Clicking on this will move you forward in your journey to creating attractive offers for your customers. Now it's time to start developing your deal. Click on Add to initiate a new discount offer. This is the first real step in creating a specific promotion, so think about what you want to offer. Whether it's a percentage off, a buy one get one deal, or a special price for a package of services, Fresha provides the flexibility you need. Once you click Add, select the Promotions option. This categorizes your deal under promotions, making it easier for your customers to find and understand the type of deal you're offering. Next, click on Continue to proceed with detailing your promotion. It's crucial that your promotion name and description are clear, compelling, and convey the value of the deal to your customers. People need to understand what the offer is and why it's worth their time. After naming and describing your deal, it's time to specify the discount value. Be strategic about your discounting. You want to entice customers without undervaluing your services. Whether it's a fixed amount or a percentage off, make sure it aligns with your overall business goals. To add a personal touch and a bit of exclusivity, consider creating a discount code. This can be anything you choose, but make it memorable and relevant to the promotion. Once you've decided on a code, type it in. This code will be what your customers use at checkout to apply the discount. Almost there, after entering all details and the discount code, click on Continue. This will take you to the final step of your discount creation process. Finally, it's time to bring your promotion to life by clicking on Create. This last action solidifies your discount and makes it live on your Fresha profile, ready for customers to use and enjoy. Creating discounts on Fresha is a straightforward process that can have significant benefits for your business. Through promotions, you're not just offering a one-time deal, you're building relationships, attracting new clients, and showing appreciation to your loyal customers. Remember to monitor the performance of your discounts to understand what works best for your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. This tutorial aimed to guide you through each step with clarity, ensuring you can confidently use Fresha's platform to enhance your business's marketing efforts. Happy discounting, and here's to growing your business with Fresha.